This is a very simple but a very powerful trading strategy that I use to make $700 in less than an hour on the exchange ZOOMEX, taking a long trade literally from the exact bottom and a short trade also literally from the exact top of the move on a day when we had very, very little volatility. Both of these trades were planned in advance. The setups were given in advance in my Discord. This is a secret weapon of mine to make money in low volatility, and I want to share it with you for free. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications. So I'm in these trades on ZOOMEX, my new exchange, and you can see that we have basically longed the bottom and we have shorted the top. And this trading strategy is essentially about looking for liquidity grabs after periods of very low volatility. If you ever see that the Bitcoin price or any asset you're trading is forming a very tight range where price does not move very much for a few days, this is especially great over a weekend. What you want to do is you want to mark out where are the stop losses going to be for the short trades and where are the stop losses going to be for the long trades. Now, basically, you're looking to trade a stop hunt because over the weekend or anytime there's very low volatility, whenever there are stop hunts, stop losses that are built up over time, you know the market makers are going to go take those stop losses, stop those people out just to flip the price in the direction that they were looking to trade in the first place. So it all begins with having a very clearly defined plan. If we take a look at the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where I post my trade setups and my plans every single day, this morning I said, hello, happy Sunday. Today looks like a nice day for some scalps. We have some very nice, easy levels to look for divergences. And so I gave these three potential levels to take a trade. You could see we had scalp number one at around 30,285, and then scalp short basically around this area, 30,007, around the value area high of this range, basically taking out these local highs. Okay, so the second thing I wanted to see here was I wanted to see divergences, because just because price is breaking out of a level or breaking down from a level, that does not mean we have a trade on our hands. So here's what you want to look for when you're trading with this strategy. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew, where we give juicy trade setups like this long that we give literally right from the macro bottom of Bitcoin, as well as this juicy long trade on Bitcoin from Friday, right from the bottom, as well as the scalps I'm currently in right now, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord. We are not a signals group, but we are an educational group. You will learn a lot, and it will greatly improve your trading. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, check out the courses, 25% discount, jasoncaspertrading.com. Also, if you guys are looking for an exchange to trade in the United States that does not require a VPN nor KYC, check out ZOOMEX right now. Literally my newest exchange, a very, very good team behind it. Great exchange to trade in USA. Also, I am trading on MEXC. Literally the best deal on trading fees you can get is on MEXC. Great deals and sign-up bonuses if you go ahead and click the links in the pinned comment in the description. Of course, guys, only sign up to trade on an exchange if you actually know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you're doing and you try to trade to make money, you will lose everything you have. Your life will fall apart. So once you have your trading plan and you know where those stop hunts are going to be, you draw out your boxes on the chart. These are the levels that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. The next thing you do is you need to wait for price to come to your level. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is they chase price. They don't wait for a trade to come to them. They try and force a trade, and that inevitably leads to many losses. Imagine if you had tried to long and short this entire time, just guessing which way the price is going to go. You probably would have taken many, many, many losses. Price would have done nothing. And then eventually you would have gotten liquidated to a downside and then liquidated to the upside. Instead, you just wait for price to come to your level. And then what we want to do is we want to look at our indicator. Now, I use Market Cipher B. This is by far the best indicator you can use on TradingView. What we want to look for on Market Cipher B is something called divergences. What is a divergence? A divergence is, as the price is coming to your key level, is the momentum and the money flow on Market Cipher B getting higher? This is called a bullish divergence. We want to see Market Cipher B look exactly like Sam Bankman-Fried's man breasts. Look at the mammary breasts that are getting higher over time as the price is coming down to key support. We can see that the mammary money flow is getting higher. The mammary nipple piercings are getting higher as the price is getting lower. And we can tell by the look on his face that he knows he's going to totally wreck everybody shorting the bottom. And that's exactly what happened here. Look, we got a very intense move to the upside, which is how we were able to catch the trade right from the bottom because we had it planned in advance. Now, what about getting into the short trade? Well, we want to look for just the opposite, right? Just the opposite. As we came up to this area of resistance, what did we see this time on Market Cipher B? We saw one momentum wave, then we saw a lower momentum wave, giving us the dreaded bald-headed Gary Gensler pattern. Whereas the price is getting higher into the key resistance, Gary Gensler, he doesn't know, is it a security? Is it not a security? He doesn't know what he's doing. The smile is a little suspicious, but the bald head is getting lower. This is called a bearish divergence, and this means we can look for a move to the downside. Now, a few things to remember here is the strength of these divergences and the direction of the money flow is very key to understand if you're going to be holding this trade for a quick scalp or potentially a longer day trade. But this is the strategy, guys. It's a very, very simple one. It's a very easy one. This is the kind of strategy where I can wake up in the morning, do my analysis, make my plan, hang out with my kids all day, not worry about the charts. But then when I get an alert, I can easily, from my phone, look at Market Cipher and get into a trade. So what do we do after we get into the trade? Well, now we're in something called a schlong position. That basically means when you're trading a sideways range, you have taken a long from the low, you've taken half the position out, stop loss to the entry, then you've taken a short from the high, you take half the trade out, stop loss to the entry, and then you go about your day. I've already made $700 on these trades, stop losses at the entry. No matter what happens today, whether we pump or dump, I'm going to be making money, and I've already made money. This is a great thing to do for your psychology when it comes to trading, because now you can go about your day and relax, right? Or you could multitask, maybe go for a walk while you're making a YouTube video, and you don't have to really worry about your trades, right? It's called a schlong. It's one of my secret weapons for my trading psychology and being consistent over time. All right, guys, that is it for today's trading strategy video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. May you all be very blessed. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are very blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!